Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raihan, a content creator and freelancer. I help creators and freelancer who wants to make money on online. If you wants to make money on online doing content create or freelancing, so don't forget to subscribe my channel because I will share with you my analytics, my earnings, my journey, how I started and how it's going on. If you want to be a full-time creator or freelancer, or if you want to make side hustle as a Fiverr, channel will help you a lot because I create videos for you how you can make money online. And this is my YouTube channel, very small subscribers, only 79, and last 10 days ago I got 250 hours of watch time, and it's really amazing how I earned on Fiverr. And many of you asked, Fiverr is a scam, and is it really true I can make money on Fiverr? So I will show you my analytics, Fiverr earnings, and I will withdraw in front you guys, so you can realize and you can understand the better results. Okay, so let's jump into my Fiverr analytics. So here you can see the available balance. So this is real money. Okay, so this money can be withdrawable, so I can withdraw this money into my bank account. So maybe you are thinking how I earn this money. Don't worry, I will share you the exact real result. So let's jump into my project that I completed, and I earned money from different buyers, okay, with the completing different projects. So here you can see $25 project, okay, and it's completed. And what I earned, great job, you earned $20 from this order. That's mean this order was $25, but the Fiverr fees, after cutting the Fiverr fees, I just got $20. So this is the another order. So this is 60. That's mean the order was 60. So I earned from this buyer 60, but actually I earned $48. That's mean 20% Fiverr charge. So this project was $125. Actually, I got from buyer, but I earned $100. So 20% gone. Okay. So let's check. It was $20 project, and I earned $60. So those are the project I have completed, and I work with different buyers from different projects. And what is the project? So actually I do lead generation for my buyers. It could be B2B lead generation or B2C or D2C, but mostly I work for B2B and B2C. So B2C, that's mean e-commerce like Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, WordPress, WooCommerce. Okay, different kind of e-commerce website. I collected the owner, director, founder, co-founder, their email address and their contact details. And for B2B, I do the same. I find different kind of niches, locations, and I got their LinkedIn profile and also their contact details, obviously valid email address. Okay, so this is the title. I will do B2B lead generation. So mostly who are looking for a B2B business and who has an agency and they are running Facebook ads or Google ads for their clients or any other businesses, or especially who has made their own product and want to sell from the businesses to the other businesses. And B2B lead generation is the main key where you can get your clients very smooth. So I shared with you all of the resources where I earn this money. So let's withdraw this money. Okay, so you can manage your payout methods. That's mean you can add your payment methods, like you can withdraw with this PayPal account or bank account, direct bank account, or you can withdraw the Payoneer. Okay, so I have a Payoneer account, so I will withdraw with Payoneer account. And for that withdraw balance, so I will click on withdraw balance, and here you can see the total balance and transfer to this is the symbol of Payoneer, a bank transfer. Okay, and maybe you can see the transfer may take up to 3 business days, powered by Payoneer, but actually it will take a few hours. Like sometimes it will take 24 hours, except the off day, like the vacation or any other weekly off day. So it will come within few hours, and I will withdraw into my bank account from this Payoneer account. So let's confirm and withdraw. Okay. Oh, money. Your funds should arrive within 3 business days. Got it. So then you can see that its balance is empty. So that's when I withdrawn all the money. And from the Payoneer account, I can withdraw into my local bank account. So that's how it's easy and it's real. So Fiverr is not a scam. If you are thinking Fiverr is a scam or not, so I have shown you all the resources where I earned the money, and I withdrawn in front of you guys. so you can see the actual result. So if you want to make money on Fiverr, so please leave a comment below, and a specific topic, how you can create your Fiverr account, how you can create Fiverr gig, and what type of services you can provide on Fiverr, etc. So if we have a lots of question, don't worry, just leave a comment, so I will make a video on that topic, and it will gonna help you very much. So if you are a student, if you are a job holder, and if you want to start a side hustle and extra earning from the Fiverr, so Fiverr would be very effective source for you. So don't waste your time, just start making on money on Fiverr. So if you love this content, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So hope you will enjoy this video. So I will catch you on another video. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.